Okay guys, so I found this cross-shaped wreath form right from Dollar Tree, and I grabbed some jute from Hobby Lobby. It was $5.99, and then you want to use your 40% off coupon. And I started by just tying a knot at the bottom of the wreath form. And to get it started, I would wrap it and add some hot glue onto the jute as I wrapped. And you want to do this a couple times just to get a good strong bottom so it doesn't just slide right off. And then you want to wrap your jute around the whole entire wreath form. And you're going to finish a section the same way you started the section, and then you can also tie it off in the back. And then once I had that completely covered, I grabbed some Boxwood artificial plants from Walmart. They were 97 cents. And I used about 3 of these. And you're going to just cut off the sections. And using the hot glue, I then covered the wreath form in jute with the Boxwood plant. Now I feel like you could also wrap your wreath form with some burlap, but you do need some type of base so you could glue your Boxwood plant onto it. I'm not sure how well it would stick to just the metal. And now once I had that fully covered, you can go back through and just add small pieces to anywhere that needs to be fuller. I then grabbed these artificial flowers from Dollar General. They were $3. And I just wanted to add some color to my wreath, so I glued that on top of the Boxwood plant. Now, I feel like there's so many ways you could dress this up, and we would love to hear your ideas. So just share those with us. And once that was all glued down, I put a sign right in the center there. I feel like there are many different signs you could put. Mine says Happy Easter, and I got it from Hobby Lobby for $2.99. The other side said Happy Spring. And then I grabbed these artificial Easter eggs, and they were $2.99 from Christmas Tree Shop. And I just cut little sections off, and I stuck them underneath the sign. And that's it. And now you have this cute cross wreath that we made for a very inexpensive price. So guys, thank you so much for watching. You could check other videos over on our YouTube channel. And our webpage is chalkitupfancy.com. Have a great day.